Hi, my name is Megan and I work at Charisma Salon, and today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid. So you start with your 3 sections. And you're going to start as if you were French braiding her hair. So right here you're going to add hair from the top. Now right here, when you normally in a French braid would take this and add hair from the bottom, instead of doing that, you're going to drop out this section completely and pick up hair from underneath. And this becomes your new section. So you're going to braid that over. And then take hair from the top. Add that. And then again right here, you're going to drop this section completely and take out hair from the underneath. And this becomes your new section. And you're going to add hair from the top. And completely drop this section, which is giving it a waterfall effect. Now by dropping that section, so you pick up another one from underneath. And then take hair from the top. Dropping that section. Picking up from underneath. And a cute way to end this is just to, instead of keep picking up, you can just do a simple braid. And then you can just secure it with the bobby pin. And there's your waterfall braid. Now I'm just going to spray it with the Matrix Biolage Complete Control Hairspray. And there's your waterfall braid.